I am Dr. Muthu Kopalakrishnan.
Hi, I am Dr. Deep Jyoti Guru.
My name is Shashi Bambani.
Hello everyone, I am Shailak Jani.
We are Mahendra Patel.
I was given an opportunity to attend an FDP on empowering the educators in the securities market. It's really a good FDP in which we are getting a lot of practical aspects of securities market, equity market, mutual fund industry, and many more things.
We are having a lot of wonderful sessions, learning a lot, brushing up all our financial knowledge, interacting with each other, and learning more and more.
We have signed MOU with NISM to give the practical exposure to our students of MBA and BBA and to bridge the gap between industry and academia.
This particular FDP was truly amazing experience, and it was quite a learning experience that we can share with our students.
Our main goal is to nurture ourselves as well as nurturing my faculty member and student for specifically understanding about the security market and how they can grow, how they can invest, how they can save the money and make their investment or achieve their goal.
We are seeing the pan-India participants here in this campus. Campus is really awesome. The facility available in this campus is awesome. State-of-the-art facility is there.
The fooding and lodging, every facility is top of the class, and we are absolutely having fun, learning a lot.
We are enjoying here in campus also, and it is overall a good experience for us.
The program is very good, and I think they should revise the program for every certification course so that we can add an advantage to our students.
Thanks to the SEBI for having instituted an institute like this to impart the knowledge and skill and training in the securities market and securities industries for the teachers as well as the students and the practicing professionals in India.